Hi, great! In this video, I'll show you how to create a server with traffic using our system. To begin with, we need to have the file that contains the information for the car in order for it to know where to drive. In this case, the creator of the circuit has provided it to me. Let's start. We upload the file. To achieve this, we'll go to Content, Tracks and click on the Choose Folder option. We are uploading all the content of the circuit to the server. We give it content, and in this case we are going to search for circuits. And here I can select the circuit with a click, and I click on Upload. I press Upload once more, and I press the red button. Currently, the circuit is stored on the server. The subsequent action would be to upload the lanes for AI. We'll click on the circuit and provide it with the choice to select our files. And at this point, we need to search for the files that contain the lane information. I have placed the items on the desk in front of me for easy access. I open the folder, click on it, then click on Open. Additionally, I already have them uploaded on the server. Now we are going to create the event. To create the event, we have to go to See Existing and click on the green button. In this case, I am going to select the same circuit that I have uploaded. I have it here and I'm going to add a car. On the left side, I have the cars stored on the server, and on the right side, the ones that will be available for the event. In this case, since it is a new server, for now I only have one car. I click to move it from the left zone to the right. Great! Here I can edit the session time. I'm going to set 120 minutes. And a bit further down I have the input list. This area is crucial because here we'll choose which cars will be available for real drivers and which cars will be available for artificial intelligence. Since I have only one car, editing makes no sense, but I'll show it to you. Every click I make on the orange button is one additional available spot for a pilot to select the car. And in the section labeled Mode, I can choose whether the car will be available exclusively for traffic, exclusively for pilots, or if it will be in automatic mode. Automatic mode means that if there is no real driver using that car, the artificial intelligence will drive the car. In this case, I am going to repeat the car 3 times and I am going to put it in automatic mode. Awesome! Now I can save the event. I scroll down to the bottom and enter a name for the event. In this instance, we'll use a placeholder name, like Test Event. Then, I click on the red button to save the event. Now, let me provide you with a brief overview of the various tabs that are accessible for creating a more intricate configuration. In this particular scenario, the initial tab is the one located here. Here we can modify factors such as the car's speed, the density of cars, the speed per curve, and even the weather conditions. We simply modify the values, save by clicking the green button, and confirm the changes. The next option that is available is this one here. It is a bit like the previous one, but with more options. I have added some extra options in this section, which are enabled by default, giving us the ability to drive in the opposite direction and disable any type of penalty. Then we possess the Advanced mode. Advanced mode enables you to directly manipulate server files. It is strongly advised that only administrators with advanced knowledge in this type of servers utilize this feature. Finally, we have the Options tab, where we can edit the server name and set an access password, as well as an access password specifically for administrators. It is of utmost importance to note that to add administrators, we have an additional option, which involves adding the Steam identification, a unique identifier for each admin account on the server. In this instance, we would navigate to this tab here and select Administrators, and in this location, we would input the Steam ID of the pilot in question. Once we have the identification added, it would appear similar to this. We would click on Save, and in this case, the pilot could utilize commands. I will include all the available commands in the video description. Let's initiate the server by clicking here and selecting View Existing. At this point, we would be able to launch the event. To start, we click on Start and the server will be ready. To join, we would click on the green button and a link to Content Manager opens for us. We can easily share this link so that additional pilots can participate in our session. You can comment on this video if you have questions and I will assist you. Thank you.